What's up, everybody? My name is Eric Bland. Super excited to have you guys on. Thanks for subscribing, by the way. Really appreciate it. The numbers are increasing a little bit by little bit here. I think it's at 130 something, 137 or 132 subscribers, something like that. My other channel is at 1,700 almost subscribers, so super stoked about that. So a lot of you guys are like, Eric, where are you? Where have you been? Well, sometimes when things take from you, okay, like a lot of your time and doesn't give anything back, sometimes you have to set that aside and kind of restructure a little bit, right? And so one of the things I did is I went to Florida and it was awesome. It was an awakening that I needed. It was the exact vacation that I needed. And the thing is on YouTube, you get a lot of negative people. Okay, I'm not saying that they're all negative. I'm just saying a lot of them are negative because they see what you have and they're like, oh, did you see what Eric? Oh, he went to Florida. Did you see Did you see what he was? Oh, he closed 30 jobs in 3 days. Did you see? Oh, he's still doing good. Yeah. Oh, he's still doing good. And you get these negative people, and I don't have to deal with those people. I can block them. I can get rid of them. They can give me a thumbs down, right? I'm sure this video will get a lot of thumbs down on there because they're either jealous of what you have, jealous of where they should be, or just simply just hating life because they're not where they're supposed to be, right? And so I take a look at it and say, if something is sucking the energy out of you, think about what's sucking the energy out of you, and should you really have that in your life? YouTube was taking time away from my family, was taking the time away from my kids, was taking time away from my businesses and me personally. So I wasn't working out anything like that. I'm now working out. I work out at Planet Fitness. I feel good. I'm energized. I'm pumped up. You know, I get up in the morning, I work out. Sometimes I get off work, I work out. You know, it's an amazing feeling. I'm working on self, which is awesome. My family and I have the best relationship that we ever had before. My kids, instead of saying to myself, oh, I gotta make a video, or guys, be quiet, I'm trying to shoot this video, or hey, shh, be quiet, I got one more song to record. None of that anymore. It's phenomenal. Instead of doing that, I'm like, hey, you guys wanna go for a bike ride? Hey, you guys wanna do this? You wanna play a card game? You wanna do this? Advertising in my business has gone crazy. The advertisement that I used to put out was like junk. The advertising that I'm putting out now is phenomenal. It's professional. I'm putting time and effort into it. It's crazy how much time you have when you're not shooting these videos, right? And so one of the things I want to say to you guys is, should you guys start a YouTube channel? Yeah, but don't let it take over your life and you're like, I promise it won't, it won't. It will. It will. You get a lot of people that will waste your time, ask you the same question over and over again. And that's why I charge way more now. Instead of 25 bucks for a half hour, it's 50 bucks for a half hour. $100 for an hour of my time. If you want to ask me a question about window cleaning, power washing, gutter cleaning, that's it. Because I do coaching as well. My coaching has went up as well. What that means is that I have other places that I speak of. I do motivational speaking. I've focused on that too instead of these videos so much. And so I have twice as many speaking engagements now than I did last year, which is awesome. And then I've booked even more just by talking to people. Now I'm also a member of our town and our township. So I'm involved in the township now, which is very cool. I do recreation things there and help out. It's amazing what time you actually have, that if you give your time towards something that's going to give back, it's phenomenal. Now, if the videos go viral, you get paid. My other channel I'm getting paid on, so that's kind of cool, but the pay is like very little, you guys. I get paid more on the objects that people buy. If they go in there and look at the description, that buy like if you look in these description, it'll tell you what squeegees I use and stuff like that. If you go on Amazon, I get a small little percentage of that, right? Like a small percentage. I'm talking very small, nothing to like dance up and down about. Probably just enough to put in the gas tank, okay? But I am so relieved from all the stress and the pressures and the negativity and the naysayers out there and the more professional guys. I'm a pro, so I know everything type guys. You know, I don't have to deal with all that stuff anymore. I'm focusing on me, my family, my businesses. It's amazing. The shirt business, by far, has done amazing. I wish I say amazing. It could do better, honestly. Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, they're not as much as I would like to bring in. They're bringing right around like $950, close to $1,000 in a weekend. And I don't think that's great because of what I try to compare it to is the window cleaning, and I can't compare it to that because that's what you make in a day, you know what I mean? So I can't compare it to that. So it is doing great for what it is, and I love doing it, and it's encouraging to talk to people, but I also get to pass my card out there when I'm there. So I have my card doing window cleaning here, and then I have the other business cards for the shirt pressing here, and it's just really cool opportunity to talk to people. But I say all that to say, focus in on you and your family, you guys. You might end up losing your family, your friends. You might end up losing, yourself. You might be so overweight or unhealthy. You might be focusing on whatever else. You know, get healthy-minded, healthy, fitness-wise, healthy family-wise, healthy advertisement-wise. Just get healthy, man. Don't focus on the negative comments and things like that. Just block those people. I love blocking people. I'm like, block. That's cool. You said something negative. That's okay. You done. Oh, you too, done. I don't have to deal with them ever again. It's just an amazing thing. But I want you to focus on you and your family. And if you don't get anything else out of this video, and if you're still with me at the end of this video here, just do you and your family. Seriously, love on them, care for them, because at the end of the day, if you're so focused on, I gotta do a video, and you could have took your kids fishing, you could have took them for a bike ride, you could have went for a walk with them, you could have said, hey, let's do a movie night, let's get our pillows and blankets, and we run in the living room here with our pillows and blankets, we spread them on the floor and on the couch, and we just watch a movie together, pop some popcorn, and that's it. We have a lot of fun. And I can tell you, last year at this time, I wasn't having this much fun. I was going to do a video, and I got to do this for the video, and I got to do that for the video. And my office upstairs used to be used constantly. It is probably dusty. The cleaning lady doesn't even go up there. I'm like, nope, don't worry about that. Just focus on these areas down here, and you're set to go. It's phenomenal. I love not having to go up in my office. It's great. I do my work down here. I have my laptop here or my tablet. I can go to town, do everything on here as I need to, and it's a fantastic thing. So don't focus on the negative things, you guys. Let that stuff go to the wayside. And if somebody says something negative to you, just let it roll off your shoulders. They are either A, jealous, B, wishing they had what you had, or C, in a really bad place in their life that they have nothing else left to give other than negativity because they say, oh man, I wish I was doing that. I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, see you guys. Love you.